How you doing? This video is just about to show everybody how easy it is to decode all this shit. This is about this tsunami, okay? You got all these names here. Just decoding some of the names. South Lampoon is 1166 in English ordinal. Sunda Strait in Satanic is 666. SERANG in Jewish is 233. Pandalang in Sumerian is 444. As you can see here, along here. I hope the sound's okay in this, by the way. But you see at least 222 people killed. That's 6 straight away. And you get 843, 8 fours, it's 32, 32 times 3 is 96, which is 69 upside down. And on and on and on, for fucking ages. I'll just show you a bit of this bullshit. You tell me if you see a tsunami here. Oh, and by the way, the band that are playing are called 17, and 7 is the hoax code, okay?
The most powerful eruption in modern history, roughly 4 times as powerful as a thermonuclear weapon. A warning. This report from Sky's David Bowden shows the moment the tsunami hit.
Local pop band 17 were playing at a resort in West Java when the tsunami hit. The bass player and road manager were killed. The audience had no time. And 17 were playing at a resort in West Java when the tsunami hit. The bass player and road manager were killed. The audience had no time to flee. The group's lead singer Rifian Fajasir survived, but in a tearful Instagram message revealed his wife was among the missing. Huge waves inundated low-lying coastal areas around the Sunda Strait, sweeping away and...
Just watch this shit, man. You could decode this all day. This is bullshit, don't believe this. Every bit of news is a lie, remember that. Research blood over intent. Decode this for yourself in the gematria.
The column of volcanic ash 500 meters high. Half an hour later, the tsunami hit on Indonesia's Sunda Strait between West Java and South Sumatra. Several towns in the region near SERANG were badly hit.
9:30, 9 threes are 27. 3 nines, 27, 666. I could go on and on and on. Just to all you people are just learning gematria, just go for it, man. You'll fucking see everything. And I hope the sound is okay on this. Cheers, bye.